stopping at Rosa's because we have to get a few libations and an energy drink.
I was gonna buy us 2 honeys right now. I was like, I'm cool.
I'm gonna meet you out there.
You
He said he was taking his family out to San Diego too.
That's alright.
So Peter said when he tried to purchase honeys, you wanted to give your little opinion about it.
Girl, because of the last time he was drinking alcohol, that shit didn't even want to stay hard. So I wasn't gonna set you up for value, girl.
Oh, clock it.
You like yours, Tony?
I'm gonna find out right now if it's legit. If it's bitty Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, who girl? So we just arrived from our, what was it? Our chicken place. Yes, so we just checked in and it's giving very much, oh, ooh, hold on, let's see who this is. Hi, excuse me. Yes, we did. We ordered a midget. It's really cute.
It's a stick-up bitch.
So cute, so cute. And they even give you a little butt crack, so it's giving like air filter. So cute.
Oh shit, yeah, that's cool.
So now we wait for police.
Yeah, now we're just gonna wait for my other sister.
Would they let you like have this?
That's what I'm saying.
Honestly, we're not mentally okay for
Lucky they caught me
that.
on a good day.
Yeah, this is like what?
How beautiful is San Diego? So there's the stadium.
Or are we just gonna pretend that we didn't just hear honestly that?
Literally. I don't have time to address that, so I'm just gonna.
Oh shit, I'm watching the whole thing from right here. Oh, I forgot to bring up the charger for the...
What it is about hope. Moment I scream.
Y'all trying to get me fucked up.
Yeah, happy belated.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Next day.
Post up by like 9, playing you might die. If he dissing on that gang, chopper gonna hit his eye. Don't be dissing on my bro, we'll hit you with his phone, nigga. Fuck that pussy, nigga. Average got hit with that phone, nigga. We gon' slide, we gon' slide, we gon' slide. Post up by like 9. If he dissing on the gang, this chopper gonna let him.
That was probably the reason it was a little smoother, but it just tripped me out.
Women-owned brand tequila. Look at how cute these little shooters are. So freaking cute. No preservatives, no dyes. Okay, so I'm currently, bitch, as you can see, I'm in the process of getting ready. Don't ask why, but my boyfriend requested space buns, so I had to make it work. Yeah, my boyfriend's gonna go get us a cherry Coke Zero so we can chase it with our Bennessy. And right now, sweetie, I'm trying to hurry up because it's already 9 o'clock. Like, what the fuck? So the beach was beaching. I didn't go in the water because bitch, it was cold as fuck. What the freak? So tomorrow for sure, like, I'm going in no questions asked. And yeah, I'm just gonna frantically get ready so we can leave. But I just love San Diego. It's giving very much I want to say staycation, but vacation, but yeah, that. So we're gonna go out to eat, and then we're gonna see where the night takes us. So come along.
I can't do it. Actually, get two of those. I don't think they're gonna come up already.
Stop. Parmesan cheese. Ooh. Parmesan cheese. Brunch. All flats. And
I'm mad as fuck. Man, fuck.
ranch. Parmesan.
Check that shit.
Just checked in for brunch. What is it called again? The Morning Glory? Morning Glory. Oh yeah, the Great Maple. So now we're gonna do like a little farmer's market vibe. Baklava. So many different goodies and yummies. It's very cultural. Oh, there's the agua frescas. So it's very cultural, very cute. So many goodies. We haven't got anything yet. We want to look at everything. Oh my god, you know who I feel like would love this? So after debriefing for several minutes, we finally decided what we're gonna eat. First we have our mango margarita. So good. So we got chicken sandwich. It looks very good.
Those look good though, I ain't gonna lie.
Very good. We have truffle fries, chicken sandwich. We have eggs, and then we have poached eggs with brisket and papas on ciabatta. Very good. Okay, so it's our last day in San Diego. After brunch, we are gonna stop by the beach. I have my cute one piece on with this velour set, so cute, and this cute little hat. Peter, so cute hat, wife beater, bare feet from the gods, and yeah. Can't wait to see you at the beach. Just parked.
Crazy, bunch of mansions here.
We have truffle fries and cherries in this box.
Camera.
So we are
beach bumming it.
Beach bumming
Yeah, I look
it.
skinny.
Peter's in
Motherfucker looks so skinny,
he's in
bruh.
a cut, right? You're in a cut, so.
So unfortunately, I'm in a fucking summer cut. Motherfucker down 20 pounds, and I look like
Damn, you look good though. Let me screenshot that real quick.
look like I'm in a Ozempic fucking commercial right now. How the fact is, I ain't let y'all know, but that's my secret.
Nah, he lying.
You want to lose 40 to 50 pounds within 2-3 years?
Crack.
Ozempic. And this ain't an ad to them motherfuckers. They don't even pay me, bro. This ain't sponsored.
How beautiful.
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 Motherfucker, yeah, beautiful.
Just enjoying the sun.
Motherfucker, beautiful. Motherfucker, beautiful, nigga.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and end the weekend here. Peter he just had to get his redemption because he didn't like the way the Wingstop came out in San Diego. There's nothing like your local fucking Wingstop. Look at those fries. Oh my god. Yes. If you're not getting 10 flats all crisp, mango habanero extra wet, then what the fuck are you doing? And if you're not dipping it in ranch and then Parmesan immediately after, getting extra pickles, then what are you doing?
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...